Don't mind, I had them, but they flat now, but I can't even show them to you. They flat.
Y'all niggas ain't ready for QC. Y'all ain't ready for a true BC. I be back in Bergen County, city BC. I'm motherfucking straight from this motherfucking Drew Hill G. I'm motherfucking lying to get high. Never see a motherfucking rob the motherfucking get back. What motherfucking get motherfucker with me? They ain't here, motherfucker. Everybody suck the money, my motherfucker, huh?
I hear you.
Every time. Every time I turn around, I tell a lie. I don't see a lie to get high. I'm motherfucking the bad nigga, honey. I'm better than that. I'm motherfucking stop.
If you're on a highway road when it goes beep beep,
Hang on your head like that. Don't stop it.
God damn, I can't stop. Look.
Go on, well. Go on, well. Go on, well. Hey.
What's right? Hey, what? Oh my God!
Back up like kryptonite. Fuck me, I take your life. Any time of their life.
Get your head up. Get your head up. Get your head up. Get your head. Get your head. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, fuck it. Fuck it. You don't need it. Fuck it.
Every time you ready to come, it's for him. I'm real. You got to my life. You got to my life. I'm right. I tell a lie anytime, fuck my. You take the time. Anything that come from me.
What the hell? Oh my God.
On the bottom.
Oh my God.
Have the egg right there. Let me get my motherfucking eggs out of that man. Move. We ready to clean that now, little mama. Just be eating. I done got a this far on the road. Now y'all want to jump out the car? Sit back. Put your seatbelt on. I'm bringing it home, motherfucker. Chill out. I got it. Just quit moving. Everybody quit moving around. I'm scrambling my egg on the bottom.
You should take recording.
Is that right? Yeah, that's a little red that I spilled, but it's all good. You know what I'm talking about? That's straight project right there. Mama, I told you I wasn't gonna be a fuck up. I told you. I did this. Scrambled egg in the oven. Fuck what you talking about. Fuck with your boy. Where they do that at? Right here. Look. Look, damn. Scramble to your motherfucking likings you did. Whatever you want. Got cheese for it when we take them out. Just put that on there. Keep wasting our eggs on the side, but it's all good. Bang. What you want? Bang. Bang! Oh, nigga, what? Man, you put too much. You should have put these sausages right here. Right back in the oven and get them burnt.
Oh, shit.
Shit, Will. You gotta get that on camera, because I swear I dropped it in. I'm gonna cover them. Never waste shit. That what it is. It was a big piece, too. For real. That 100. The nigga that cook in the oven, eat off the floor. Whatever. Excuse me, brother. You might bump my entree. Excuse me, brother. Excuse me, that brother. Excuse me, that brother. Jesus. But did that on Sunday morning.
Oh man.
I got my shit easy like Sunday morning. Yeah. Wow, easy.
Hey man, what's it? Hey, let me see the grits, man.
Easy like Easter Day.
You need that shit to the grits, man.
They straight. The grits. The grits. What? What you say? Brother, you like it.